Batman? Hiya! Ow! Was that a bone? Yup. Now, where's the diamond?
Dude, you should take some cough drops.
What does he mean, Robin?
He means you should take some cough drops, dude. Your voice is freaking terrible.
My voice is not terrible. It's natural.
No, dude, honestly, take some cough drops. Yeah, Batman, take some cough drops.
I already said I don't need freaking cough drops.
Was that a gun? Yeah, Robin, and this is a freaking knife. Might as well take some cough drops.